In this video, I'm going to show you how to look through all of the history of your moderator actions that you have taken in Facebook groups. So first you want to click on these three dots, and then activity log, then your Facebook activity, then you want to scroll down, then click groups, then scroll down and then click see more. Scroll down and you should see your admin actions. Click on that. In this place you should be able to see all of the actions, the moderator actions that you have taken, like muting someone or kicking someone from a group, or disapproving a post or muting. And you could even filter by date over here. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.